Hello, my name is Charlie.
And my name is Cameron.
And today, we are daring to play Nancy Drew. Say it together now.
Tomb of the Lost Queen.
Da da da. Yes. Yes, sirree. Oh, new game. I don't like this.
Amateur.
Yeah, we're not masters yet. Kevin's not even close.
Oh, be quiet, you.
60 years ago, a violent sandstorm uncovered an ancient tomb in the desert outside Cairo. A British expedition set off in hope of finally finding Egypt's legendary lost queen. The expedition never returned. The explorers were lost, presumed dead. For 60 years, the grisly tale of the cursed team remained the only proof of the tomb's existence.
Present day, 100 kilometers outside Cairo. Whoa, sandstorm. With lightning.
George, are you okay?
And
Don't move. Help is on the way.
ooh, that was
Nancy,
crazy.
what have I missed?
A lot, actually. The crew left after the storm. They kept talking about the old team that disappeared,
What?
and then they were gone. Oh, who cares? I'm just glad you're okay.
What?
About
What about
that.
this layout?
What?
The docs here say there's reason to believe I was attacked. Nancy, you're the only one I can trust now. I need you to be my eyes and ears until I can get out of here.
But I just came here to job shadow you. Are you sure? Will you be coming back?
As soon as they release me. Until then, keep me updated on what you're seeing. I've got some notes in my bunk area. Get caught up to speed. Keep everything you find between you and me. The less you seem to know, the safer you'll be.
Got it. I'll see if I can prove whose tomb this is and find out who attacked you. Bye.
Talk to you later.
Well, I just want to say something. This is like, what? I hate this layout. I have to learn, what? You can,
Can't check that off. Still have to do that.
I don't like this.
Haven't done that. Still have to do that.
Oh, we have a lot to do then. I like the graphics, but they should have just kept the regular menu bar.
Great. I could use this to translate the hieroglyphs.
Oh. Cocoa Kringle, I had one of those and they're really good. Okay.
I think that's Bess and George.
Oh, maybe. That looks like Bess. That looks like George. I thought that was just like a winner that got their picture in the game and it was like really awkward. Okay, some about Mary Anthony. Oh. Yes, Professor Hotchkiss. That's good. I like Professor Hotchkiss.
I bet someone would play this game with me.
Well, we're gonna have to play that game later then.
Nancy, you decided to stay?
Of course.
Good. We need all the help we can get. Look, this is awkward.
What's that?
Professor Boyle is gone,
Oh,
and I have to
God.
say this to keep things from getting awkward, but look, I'm assuming authority in the time being.
Angry face.
Are you sure everyone here agrees to that?
I just meant the American team, which is just you.
Sure, I don't mind.
Good. For now, you can look around if you want, just don't screw anything up. Trust me. I just don't want the site to fall into chaos. I'm working entirely out of Professor Boyle's playbook.
Did you see what happened to Professor Boyle?
I couldn't see a thing. I couldn't keep my eyes open for a second.
What's the board game in the middle of the room?
Senate! You've got to try it out. It's one of the first games humans ever played. You've got to try it. The goal is to get all these pieces off the board first.
I
When a
shouldn't have asked
token
that.
reaches the last square, it's removed from the board. To move, throw the sticks. The number of light sticks determines how many spaces you move. If all 4 sticks are dark, then you get to move 5 squares.
I
Okay.
threw a 2. What does that mean?
You can move any of your tokens to either an empty square or a square occupied by your opponent.
Can't do that.
Why not?
Can't do that. Can't do that. Can't do that. Can't do that.
What?
If you throw a 1,
Oh.
4, or 5, move a token and then throw the sticks again. If no moves are available, the player skips their turn. I rolled a 3,
So her name
so
is
I'll move my
Lily.
token 3 spaces. If you land on an opponent, you swap places, sending your opponent's token back to your token starting position. If an opponent has 2 or more tokens in adjacent squares, then they've created a block. You can't swap places with a token in a block, but you can move over it. There are 5 special
Cool.
squares on the board, each with their own name and design. The square with the ankh is a safe square, and the token on this square can't be swapped. All tokens must stop on the square with the bird, even if the throw would have moved them past it. They can move past it on their
can't
next
see
turn.
it.
Landing on the square with the water sends that token back to the square with the ankh. The last 2 are
But
safe
just
squares,
note that
so
doesn't-
tokens can't be
well.
swapped. Let's start a game. You can go first.
Does that work?
No.
Kind of. I don't know.
We're gonna try and get you to see something. Oh
What?
well. There are a bunch of like little. Okay,
Oh, well, let's just keep.
they're just weird little kisses, Hershey's kisses on the top, and then there are like hourglasses. And we just rolled a 2.
Lily's turn. I'm just winging this.
No
right
fair!
now. I think I win. Do I go again? Cool. Come back.
Walk it off, Drew.
Oh, I see. It's like, it goes like this, like around. I see. Yeah. That's how you do it. I landed on a hieroglyphic. I don't know if that's super important.
Can't do that. Can't do that.
Move that one.
Can't do that.
Just
Can't
move
do
this
that.
one. Well, that didn't really help, did it? Oh yes,
Yeah.
it did.
Does that mean a point? I think we got ourselves a point.
We did.
Oh, that's her turn. Yeah.
Can't do that. Look out.
Ha! I'm loving this.
Hey.
Ooh. Yeah. I'm catching up to you, Lily. That's the girl's name if you didn't know. Yes. We should move these ones. She got another token. Yeah.
Bad news for you.
Hey!
Rats.
Yeah. Well, that was pretty good.
Can't do that.
Yeah.
Can't do that. Look out.
Yeah. I know how to do this now. Is that her turn? Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh.
sending you back.
I'm sending you back.
No, that's only when you switch places, Cameron. Like that. Like we have to get like the number space then switch.
Move that.
I'll move that one.
I'm sending you back.
See, she got the.
I don't like this game.
It's
But
fun.
I think that's all we have time for now, so we'll see you in a minute.